Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some ways that you can earn money online. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash on the side or even start a full-time online business, there are plenty of opportunities out there. So, let's get started. Option 1. Freelancing. If you have a particular skill, such as writing, graphic design, or web development, freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr offer a great way to offer your services to clients around the world. You can set your own rates and work on your own terms. Option 2. Online surveys. If you're looking for a more flexible and less time-consuming option, taking online surveys can be a great way to earn money in your free time. There are many legitimate survey sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research that offer cash or gift card rewards for completing surveys. Option 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money by promoting products or services on your blog or social media channels. You earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Many companies offer affiliate programs, such as Amazon, and you can even find affiliate networks like ShareASale or Commission Junction to join. Option 4. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer your services as an online tutor through platforms like Chegg, TutorMe, or Schooly. You can work with students of all ages and levels and set your own rates. Option 5. Online selling. You can sell products online through platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. You can also create your own online store using tools like Shopify. If you have a passion for creating and selling handmade goods, Etsy is a great platform to get started. Option 6. Content creation. Finally, if you're a creative person, there are many opportunities to earn money through content creation. You can start a YouTube channel, Twitch stream, or TikTok account and earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, or donations. Conclusion. So there you have it, some ways that you can earn money online. While it may take some time and effort to get started, the potential for earning money online is virtually limitless. If you have any other tips or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.